Carryout conveyor, as seen here, is taken apart. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure you get the belt in the proper orientation. The way you tell proper orientation is you look at the end rails on the chain. The little arrow will point you in the direction of product flow. All right, it's a little easier to put it together with two people. It's a little awkward if you're doing it with one. All right, the belt's on. Make sure you get your roller and your rod. Screw your little handle on. And this is actually your tension bar for the whole belt that you're putting in. So what you do is you get it in there, put some tension on it, and then tighten it all the way down. Okay, now we're ready to install it. Thing you got to remember about the conveyor, right here you have height adjustments up to 2 inches, so you can stack up to 2 inches high. Just make sure you get them in there level. And it slides right in there. Make sure you get your key, which adjusts up or down. And then you just kind of push it in there. There we go. All right, you remove the safety key. Once the key is removed, the conveyor is locked in place until it's returned. And then we have to put the motor on. Motor's in storage right here. When you go to put the motor on, make sure you line your slot up here to your drive gear in there. Makes it a whole lot easier to put on. All done.